Respected Ma'am Uzma and her team, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation for your exceptional efforts in organizing and conducting a highly successful parent-teacher meeting at Dagai campus. Your dedication, meticulous planning, and commitment to fostering strong school-parent relationships were truly commendable. The positive feedback from parents and the productive discussions held during the parents-teacher meeting reflect your hard work and dedication to our students' academic and personal growth. Your ability to create an engaging and welcoming environment contributed significantly to its success. Thank you for your invaluable contributions. Your passion and professionalism continue to make a meaningful difference in our school community. Keep up the excellent work. Best regards, Director of Lighthouse School System, Dagai Campus, Swabai. Engineer, Shabia Hussain.